Company accounts basic information. When a company is registered or incorporated in the UK, there is a statutory obligation to submit a set of accounts, one to the HM Revenue and Customs and the other to Companies House. Before you can submit these accounts to these statutory organizations, there is a basic format in which the accounts must be presented. Now the format consists of essentially 4 pages. The first one is the income statement. The income statement must state the total income that has been earned in the financial year and the expenses that has been incurred in that same year. The difference between the income and the expenses results in a profit or a loss. The next important financial information is the balance sheet. The balance sheet is a summary of all the assets and capital and liabilities that the business has on the last day of the financial year. It is what it has on the last day of the financial year. The assets consist of 2 main parts. That is the non-current assets, which are items that are expected to be used for more than one financial year. And the current assets are assets that are expected to be used within the financial year. Capital is the money that has been brought into the business for the purpose of starting up and maintaining or operating the business. Capital, one form of capital for limited liability companies is share capital. And then liabilities consist of 2 parts: the non-current liabilities and the current liabilities. Essentially, liabilities are what you owe to outsiders, to people outside the business. Non-current liabilities are payable over more than 12 months period, and current liabilities are payable within 12 months period. Then the next item, notes to the accounts, is essentially information that throws more light or gives more information on items that are in the income statement and balance sheet, so that people who are not familiar with accounting information would find it easier to understand and comprehend. The director's report, essentially, which is the last important information to be included in the statutory accounts, are the information that the directors compile, which essentially consists of what has gone on during the financial year in terms of objectives and what they intend to achieve in the next financial year. It is essentially a director's summary of all the accounting information. For more advice on these or related issues, email us at info@eurocount.co.uk and we shall be pleased to assist or support you. Thank you.